Yes, I am an entomologist, and I know a lot of you think that's strange, but I hope I'll convince you by the end of the 15 minutes I'm allotted that insects are actually the creatures that do run the world and that are truly, truly wonderful. But something you may not know is that bees, honeybees, actually originate in East Africa. And just like humans migrated in waves out of Africa, so did honeybees. And the amazing thing with honeybees in Africa is there's a lot of diversity within Africa, just like there's a lot of human diversity in Africa. And in East Africa, there are two fantastic varieties of honeybee that we get to work with. The lovely mountain honeybee, Monticola, which is a very gentle chocolate-colored species and produces lots and lots of honey, and then the savanna or dryland honeybee, Scutellata, which is not so gentle and not so calm, but also produces lots of honey. And in addition to honeybees, another social bee that gets managed and that always surprises people to learn about are stingless bees. And Maria here is a beekeeper, a stingless beekeeper on the slopes of Mount Meru in Tanzania, and you can see a view inside the stingless bee hive there. And stingless bee honey, here are two different species of stingless bee honey, Iwele honey and Ikore honey, which come from Western Kenya, is as valuable, if not more valuable, than honeybee honey, which all of these different communities produce. So I told you a little bit about stingless bees because a lot of the work I'm trying to develop right now is managing and protecting stingless bees. And here is Stanley, who is a stingless beekeeper in Western Kenya at the Kakamega Forest. And he keeps 5 different species of stingless bees. Those are the hives over there. And he even keeps species that scientists don't know about. Now, bees pollinate crops and wildflowers. And a quick question to you. How many of you like coffee? Chocolate? Yeah, and those are just a couple of examples of 2 crops that would not exist without the actions of pollinators.
Today I've learned that there are so many types of bees. I only thought there is only one kind of bees. But today I've found out that there are several kinds of bees. And it's so amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we found at least 10 different types of bees just here in Yosham. And I have one request to leave you with. If you can spend just 5 minutes a day in the company of an insect, your life will never be the same again. Thank you.